Hello guys, how to use screen reader or read aloud in Microsoft Edge. Okay, click right mouse button and click on read aloud.
Spain's PM deploys more troops. More than 200 people have
Click
been
on pause read aloud. You can choose speed, fast, normal, slow. Fast look like this.
confirmed dead, with the toll expected to rise further as recovery efforts continue. Live. Trump and Harris in frenetic
Pause and choose voice like English or Estonia, but it's just pronounce. Okay, Microsoft Roger Online.
Zigzag through swing states 3 days before election. The two contenders are attending several rallies on Saturday, ending the day in North Carolina.
It's so interaction function in Microsoft Edge, and that is all I want to tell you. Have a nice day.